What's up, guys? It's Phil from Millennial Money Gainz here, and today we are going to go over my new investment strategy as I have completely changed my portfolio. We are going to introduce that to you right now. Quickly, I just want to thank you guys for subscribing. Recently, this past week, we have surged in the amount of subscribers, and we finally hit 100 subscribers. So I'm very happy with that. So I want to thank you guys for subscribing, liking my videos, and just keep doing what you're doing. We're gonna become big one day. So, hopping right into this video, I just want to start off by saying I am not a financial advisor. I am not telling you how to invest your money. I am simply just showing you how I am investing mine. And I'm just some guy on YouTube, so do not follow me as your only advice in putting your money into the stock market. You need to do your own due diligence and research for yourself in order to invest your own money. That way you can invest it the way you want to, and you do not make any mistakes that come from another person and you may regret it. So I want to thank you guys again for the 100 subscribers, and please hit that subscribe button down below, and also smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's hop right into this video. Alright guys, so my new investment strategy is much riskier one than my old one. If you watch some of my old videos, you would know that I am just a dividend investor, or I was just a dividend investor, and I invested in safe companies such as Apple, Microsoft, Disney was a big one for me, AT&T, and a bunch of other dividend stocks. Well, recently I have changed my whole portfolio, and I have started swing trading. I know this is much higher risk, and there's a lot of research that goes into this before I start doing, and before I start making my trades. So it is a very high risk situation, but I feel like I am young, and without risk, there's no reward. So my thing is that I want to try to make the most out of my money right now, and I will show you exactly how that is working out for me. So we are going to pull up my portfolio right here. Now, just to let you guys know, we are in pre-market hours, so the numbers could be changing a bit. So just bear with me. So right now, on Friday, June 19th, I was up $1,564, which is almost 10%. Now, after hours, I am up $2,041.53, and that is 11.5%. So as you can tell, I have made a substantial amount of money since Friday, just from one trade, and we will go over what that one trade was. If you follow my Instagram, you already know. You got the first hand. So please follow that Instagram. Link will be down in the description. And you could have made as much money as I did in these past few days if you just looked at my Instagram and did your own research and potentially bought into the same thing I bought into. So, in the past week, we are up $3,375, which is 20.5%. In the past month, we are up $3,876, which is 24%. In the past 3 months, we are up $6,383, which is almost 47.5%. That is a huge number for me, and I've never made that much in the stock market since I started dividend investing about 1 year ago. In the past year, I am up almost $5,000, which is almost 33%, and all time I am up $4,900, which is also almost 3%. So, just looking down to my stocks here, my first one, we have AZUL Airlines. AZUL Airlines is trading at $12.16 right now. They are 11 cents down since Friday, but 3 cents up after hours. I bought a total of 170 shares, which is a market value of $2,067.20. My average cost is $11.91. It's about 10% of my portfolio, and my total return on it is around 2% at $42. So, not a huge gain there, but I do expect this stock to rise eventually. It did the first time that it crashed, and I believe that it will rise again once all of this virus has subsided, which eventually it will. Next, AT&T. So I still have my AT&T holdings right now. They are actually, as you'll see, are the only stock that I have held and continue to hold. So AT&T right now is at $30.39 per share. I have a little over 80 shares, which is $2,442 worth of equity. Average cost is $30.22, and it's about 12.25% of my portfolio, and my total return is about 0.5%, only at $14. But the reason I am keeping them, because they do pay a nice dividend. After that next dividend that I get, who knows if I will keep them or not. My strategy is going to change in the next few months, and I will keep you guys updated. So that's why you need to subscribe. That's why you need to hit that like button, so you guys can follow along what I'm doing and do your own research and possibly make this much money for yourself. It's all right here. This is no lie. This is the proof of what I am doing. Follow that Instagram, and you will get daily updates on my portfolio, as well as different tips on how to invest, different tips on about everything financial. So follow that below. It's at Millennial Money Gainz. Little plug there, but follow that. It will be in the description down below. My next one is ticker symbol TTOO. This is a penny stock. It's trading at $1.24 right now. I bought 1,000 shares, total market value of $1,240. My average cost was $1.43, so I actually have a loss on this guy right now. My portfolio diversity is about 6%. So total, I am down $190, which is just over 13%. So you may be thinking, which stock did I make this much money on these past couple of days? Well, I'm going to show you right now. We're going to hop right into it. That's right. This is it. Microvision. MVIS. So Microvision is right now at $1.75 per share. I have 8,000 shares at a market value of $14,000. What made me buy 8,000 shares? And I'm glad I did. So, doing the research, there was an analyst rating that MVIS could hit approximately $2.70. No, this was not my only reason to buy, but $2.70, I bought it. And average cost is $1.25. So, potentially, I have a lot to gain. So I bought into it. And they're expecting earnings on around July 16th. I keep putting stop loss orders up. Every time the stock goes up, I increase my stop loss order. So, right now it's 70% of my portfolio. 70. Which is a huge risk, and I understand it's a huge risk. But for me, I want to take some risks, and this time it worked out. Next time it may not work out. You guys will find out on the Instagram, as I will keep posting, and you will find out here. So hit that subscribe button. So, today's return, I am up $3,500, which is 34%. Total return, I am up just over $4,000, which is 40%. So I bought this on, I believe it was Wednesday or Thursday. At some point I bought it. Since then, I am up 40%, $4,000. So I bought it at the perfect time. Perfect time. And I did not buy 8,000 shares initially. I believe I bought 2,000 shares initially. Then I kept bumping it up when I saw the actual value this company has. So this company has a technology that it can be sold to anyone. It could be sold to Apple. It could be sold to Microsoft. Anyone who wants to buy this technology, they could buy it. This company has been doing well since the pandemic, and not a lot of companies can say that. They started doing well during this pandemic. That's why I bought into them. They have a potential buyout. They were saying back in May, a potential buyout from Microsoft. If that goes through, that could really bump up the stock, and that's when I will sell, and hopefully sell at a great profit. So that about wraps up the video. That is my whole Robinhood portfolio, and I understand that it's a little bit risky, but this is what I want to do. I'm not telling you to do this. I'm telling you to go do your research. You invest how you want to invest. And all I'm asking is just hit that like button down below, because we're going to get a ton more videos out there. Alright, so I appreciate you guys watching. Subscribe and watch as this channel grows. This past week we have gotten over 90 subscribers, which is fantastic. I want to thank you guys so much. Really appreciate it. One of my videos got over 1,000 views, which just blows my mind that people are actually watching me. So I want to thank you guys again for watching. Link to my Instagram will be down below. Please subscribe to that or follow that. I really appreciate it, and hope you guys have a good one. Peace.